Hello children, welcome back to your science class. In this video also we'll continue with the chapter 2, human body, the skeletal system. Today we'll study the last topic of this chapter, muscles. Muscles are soft, fleshy and strong tissues that are found in every part of our body, and muscles are attached to the bones by strong fibers called tendons. So as you all know that our body is made up of cells and tissues, so muscles are a strong tissue and that they are soft and fleshy and they are found in every part of our body. And as you know that the two bones are joined together with the special type of tissue known as ligament, same as our bones are attached to the muscles by the strong fiber called tendons. Tendons attach muscles to bones, whereas ligaments attach bones to bones. There are more than 600 muscles in our body, and this muscular system, along with the bones, helps in the movement of our body. So, with the help of these bones and muscles, we are able to move, walk, and do different types of movement in our body. There are three types of muscles: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Skeletal muscle is also known as voluntary muscle, smooth muscle is also known as involuntary, and cardiac muscles. Let's start with voluntary muscles. Voluntary or skeletal muscles. These are the muscles that are under our control, means those muscles which move or work as per our control. Those are known as voluntary. This type of muscles are attached to the bones. These are the found in arms, legs, eyes, tongues, etc. We use voluntary muscles while reading, writing, walking or running. So children, I think it is clear now that muscles that are under our control are voluntary muscles, and these are the only muscle which attach to the bones. As you can see in the picture that this is showing the muscles of our hand, they are attached to the bones, so that is why it is also called a skeletal muscle. And because of this muscles only we are able to move our hand, we are able to just fold hands and just do your hand down, see as the picture is showing. Next type of muscle is involuntary or smooth muscles. Involuntary means which is not our control. So means this type of muscles are not under our control. As the voluntary muscle is under our control, involuntary is not under our control. Means it do not work according to us. It's work automatically. These muscles are found in internal organs like stomach, liver and lungs. They perform actions such as moving food through digestive system. So as you know that these muscles are found in internal organ like our stomach, liver, lungs. So the working of the stomach, liver, lungs, esophagus do not work as per our wish. It works automatically. It do not be controlled by our will. As when we eat the food, after chewing the food, that food passes through the esophagus, so we cannot stop the food passing from the esophagus then the stomach. It works according to it. It do not work as per our control. Third type of muscle is cardiac muscle. It is a special type of muscle. Actually this is involuntary type of muscle, which means which is not under our control, and this is only found in our heart. So our heart is made up of cardiac muscles that do not work under our control, but they are responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. So you know that you cannot stop your heart working. So our heart works without stopping day and night. So one interesting things I would like to tell you children, as you can see two pictures. One picture is showing the boy who is having angry face, and the second girl face is showing that smiley face. You know, when you just show an angry face, yeah, or when you frown, there are 43 muscles which takes to make your face angry, but when you smile there are only 17 muscles works to get you smile. As you know, bones and muscles form an important part of our body, so we should care our bones and muscles. Let's learn how we should care of our bones and muscles to make them stronger. First, eating a well-balanced diet. that is rich in protein and calcium and vitamin D. As you know, bone is made up of calcium and phosphorus. So we should eat lots of foods that is containing calcium, phosphorus and protein. So we should eat a balanced diet. Food like milk, cheese and other dairy products are good sources of these calcium and vitamin D. And we can get calcium in non-dairy products like fishes also. So fishes, milk, cheese and other dairy products are good sources. Other than that, fruits and vegetables are the best way to get important vitamins and minerals. Avoiding junk food. Everybody used to eat junk food, na? That is not good. We should avoid junk food because that contain a high level of chemicals that harms our bones. So from today, you'll not eat too much of the junk food. Avoid eating junk food. That is not good for our bones. And other than eating a balanced diet, fruits and vegetable, we should exercise regularly. Exercising helps to make our bones strong and healthy. Here picture is showing some foods which is good for our bones like milk, eggs, fish, cabbage and apples. Now, the importance of good posture and exercise. What is good posture? Posture means the way you are sitting, the way you are standing. So good posture, as the picture is showing in first picture, the girl is just bend their backbone and studying like this. But in second picture, the girl, you can see the difference in the posture. So good posture is good for our muscles. They help us use our muscles correctly, reducing the chances of getting joint pain. As children, you sit in the first way as the picture is showing, definitely you will have the pains. So a good posture allows muscles to work more efficiently, allowing the body to use less energy and therefore preventing muscle fatigue. Means our muscles do not get tired easily if we sit in a proper way, if we are having a good posture. It also helps us by making breathing easily deeper, improve circulation and digestion. That is why it is always told we should always take care of our posture. We should not sit in a bad posture. Next is exercise. Regular exercise strengthens our muscles and bones. Some of the exercise already we have discussed in first chapter, that is jogging, walking, swimming. These aerobic exercise. These exercise is good for our bones and muscles as well. Except this, doing yoga regularly helps keep our muscles and bones strong. Sports like football, basketball, tennis, etc. also strengthen our bones and muscles. Children, you should get a total of 60 minutes of physical activity every day. You should play a lot and you should also perform some yoga. So there are showing some yoga postures for strong bones and muscles. So we'll revise what you have learned in this whole chapter second. So from the first video you learned that our body is made up of bones. There is an internal framework of body is called a skeleton. The long bones contain a soft substance called the bone marrow, and in the bone marrow only red blood cells are produced. Then we studied about the parts of our skeleton. The first part was skull. Skull is the framework of the bones of the head. Vertebral column is the column of 33 hollow ring-like bones. Rib cage is an arrangement of 12 pair of ribs in our chest in which our heart and lungs are protected. Ribs are long and covered bones that curve around from the vertebral column towards the front. Our arms and legs are also known as limbs. The bony structure that join the limbs to trunk of our body are called as girdle. And you have learned that two or more bones meet at one place. That place is called as joint. Our bones at the joint are held together by strong tissue called ligament. A joint that allows very little movement or no movement at all are called immovable joint or fixed joint, and the joint that provide free movement to our body are called movable joints. And you have learned about the four types of movable joint: hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint and gliding joint, and the places where these are found in our body. And today in this video you have learned that about the muscles in our body. Muscles are soft, fleshy and strong tissue that are found in every part of body. Muscles are attached to the bones by strong fibers called tendons. There are three types of muscle: voluntary or skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Voluntary muscles are that are under our control. Smooth muscles are not under our control, and the cardiac muscles are found only in heart, and it is also involuntary in nature. So this is all for chapter 2. Today chapter 2 is finished. Now next run we'll start the next with a new chapter. Hope you all have understood clearly about chapter 2. If any of the point you are having any doubt or confusion, go through with all the 4 videos of this chapter and just then try to attempt your all the assignment completely. Next time we'll come back with a new chapter. Till then, children, thank you.